Welcome to Mike's. We are a full-service collision center here in the far northeast Philadelphia. We do everything from heavy hits to just cosmetic repairs. We detail cars, we do paintless dent repairs, we do glass, we do mechanical work. We work with all the insurance companies. We will put you in a rental. We'll keep in touch with you, keep you updated through the entire process while we work with the insurance company to get your car completed. Along with competitive pricing here at Mike's, we also take pride in good customer satisfaction.